and welcome to my channel. And on today's video we are going to be talking about these lashes that I have tried. Like, they are so good, and you guys will be seeing me in these lashes with no makeup, brows, and a lip a lot during the summer. So I saw this kit, so I took everything out the boxes, but I will show you guys what the boxes look like, and also the links to where you can get them. They are from Amazon, girl, and I just did them today. You guys can see this is like the bond and the seal. So I was on good old TikTok and I saw Raven Elise put these on, and I had to go and get them. Now, I am not a lash girl on a daily basis. Like, even when I wear makeup, you guys know I really do love makeup, but when I wear makeup, my makeup is so easy to me because I don't wear lashes all the time. 90% of the time I'm just wearing mascara. So when I want to go out, I do want to look still put together, other than just like a brow, a lip, and maybe a little concealer I may do. And I don't want to put on mascara all the time, because without mascara my lashes are like nothing. So I put on mascara, a brow, and a lip, maybe a little concealer, and then I'm ready to go. But with having lashes on, sometimes I feel like it kind of ups the, like, me not wearing any makeup, it kind of ups it a little bit. So I've been trying to find something that I can put on that I can wear for at least a week at a time when I want to wear lashes for that week. So let's just say I'm going to be busy for a week and I'm going to be like in and out of my house, like recording videos like back to back to back, and I don't want to not have on lashes, or maybe I do want to have on, you know what I'm saying, I want to have on lashes. So I needed something that I can wear on, like it's going to last, other than lash extensions. Now, I am not a lash extension girl. I feel like for me, I don't like a heavy eyelash look. I'm a wispy girl. I like mine kind of thin, kind of, but I like them wispy. I don't like this heavy, like very heavy dark black lash. Like, that's just not my vibe. So a lot of times when I see girls who have lash extensions, first of all, they're extremely too thick and like just heavy, and then it's nothing on the bottom lash. It just looks weird to me. So, and then lash extensions, to me, I see people like on videos and they're like, oh my god, I just got my lashes done, and they just study like pulling them out, and it's just, you spend all of that money to have to go back so often. If you guys know me, I don't like wasting my money. So when I saw Raven Elise on TikTok using this, I was like, I'm gonna try that, because she did it at home, and I'm a do-it-yourself kind of girl when it comes to beauty. I will figure it out. So I ordered it, and then I just got it. No, I actually already had the lashes, and then the glue just came maybe a day or two ago. So I thought, because I'm going to record today, to go ahead and put them on. And I did do a TikTok and a reels, like I recorded it, and I'll leave that video on the side of the screen so you guys can see. I have put individual lashes on before. Individual lashes don't last. I don't like how they look either. These have a very thin strip. I am going to do a zoom in video so you guys can see how thin the strip is. The strip is thin to me, and it does make the root of your lashes appear darker and thicker, but very natural, because you're controlling how much of these lashes you want on your lashes, like how thick you want them. So the band is thin. They come in small, two medium rolls, and then a large. And the the 2 mediums, and then the large. For me, I love that. I love that it's so easy to figure out. So I put like the long ones on the ends, the middle ones, and then I put a lot of shorter ones like up in here and a little bit in the middle, because I wanted it to be a little bit wispy on the outer corners. And I got 2 different kinds of lashes. I got the wispy wispies, and then I got like, I think it's called a natural wispy, and it just worked out. I'm gonna get more of these. I'm gonna be wearing these so much this summer when I'm just running errands. It wasn't as easy to apply as I thought. I also wish I would have did these before I did my makeup, because I started tearing up a little bit. But they weren't as easy, but I feel like once I did the first eye, the second eye went quicker. And of course, to me, it looked better, so I had to tweak the first eye. I couldn't get a great angle of me applying them because it was my first time, but it wasn't that bad, you guys. I would really recommend, like, if you a do-it-yourself girl as far as your beauty maintenance is concerned, I would say try these. I would even say try these before you go out and do the lash extensions, just because to me, I love that this is such a thick band, so I just can't pull individual pieces out of my eyelashes. How, you know, they're doing hair by hair. They're doing hair by hair when it comes to the lash extensions. So this is a thicker strip. It's a little wider of a strip, but it's not a full eyelash strip lash. No, it's not. They're cut basically, and you can build it up as much as you want. I love this. I love this. I do have to wait and see how it wears. And then also I have to get the remover and then get the, I think it's a treatment. I'll leave it on the screen what I'm talking about. I have to get those, and I'm probably going to order those later on this week and just have them. And then I'll come back and give you guys a review on these, like how they act. But right now, I love them. They're on. They're not irritating me right now at all. When I first did the first eye, it was itching a little bit. But now, after I put the seal on, like, they're fine. I maneuvered them before I put the seal on, before I really pressed them in, and I am just in love. I feel like you do have to be careful when you remove these, because you don't want them to pull out your natural lashes. Like, I wear my lashes, so the ones that are growing out of my skin. So I don't, you know, I'm going to be very careful when removing them. And I am going to give myself a break in between. So probably a few days to a week before I apply them again. So yeah, you guys, if you guys have any questions, please leave them down below. Give me some questions for my next video once I give you guys an update. And then again, I'll leave all of the links to all of these, including other like lash extensions that I like, and also the remover and the treatment. I will leave all of that down below, and where you can get extra lash brushes to like brush through your lashes after you like wash your face and maybe wash your lashes off. I'll leave the links to all of that below. Thank you guys for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.